So oil, you can apply it on your body. On your body is very good. Olive oil, coconut oil, sesame oil, very good. You do it after the shower in the morning. You don't need a lot. You shouldn't shine and sparkle with about it. Just you use few drops, warm it up, and you apply it to the skin. What happens? First of all, it nourishes the good bacteria on your skin, and after 9 o'clock, our skin pores, they get inverted and suck everything from outside inside into the bloodstream. Because you nourish these good bacteria, they become strong, and with the bloodstream, they end up in your gut, and that boosts serotonin. On the first day of doing this, you'll see your mood will be more stable. So this is on physical level. On energetic level, oil creates a etheric layer which acts like protection. So your own electromagnetic field, your aura becomes thicker and more dense. This is what it does. Don't put oil on your skin at night before bed, because skin is detoxing. It goes opposite. The cells become open. All the toxins should come out on the top layer. If you put something, even your lotions, you're clogging it and you're not letting your body to detox.